Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make kefir cheese. Warm kefir gently to room temperature, then line a sieve with cheesecloth and pour the kefir in. Let it drain in the fridge for several hours until thick, then transfer to a bowl and season to taste. Press gently for firmer results or fold in herbs for flavor. Store covered and enjoy on bread or crackers for a tangy snack. Gather kefir, cheesecloth, a fine sieve, and a bowl to catch the whey. Salt and herbs are optional. For a tangier result, use full-fat kefir and let it strain longer. Fold in minced herbs or a pinch of salt after straining to taste. Press lightly if you prefer a spreadable ricotta-like texture. Keep the cheese chilled and consume within a week for best quality and safety. If this guide is helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your car smelling crisp when you ferry ingredients or drop off jars, because life's too short for a stinky car. It's a small, fun pick-me-up that makes errands pleasant. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you want one, pick it up there. Now let's get back to the video. Start by pouring kefir into cheesecloth-lined sieve set over a bowl and refrigerate to drain for several hours. If you want firm cheese, tie the cloth and press with a small weight overnight. Unwrap and transfer cheese to a container, stir in seasonings, and taste. Whey left behind is useful in baking or smoothies. Label and date the container, then store in the fridge and enjoy within a few days for peak flavor and safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.